You hear that? One of the bearings are going in. To me, looks like the water pump bearing. Could be the AC. No. AC's off. To me, it looks like it's a water pump. But it could be something as simple as an idling pulley. What do y'all think? What do you think, Belly? I know you sure took a long time to take a dump. I gotta go get some babies this morning. They're at the post office and I wake up to this weird noise. What the hell you doing, Belly? Get your fat ass in the truck. Please help out. If you know what this noise is, highly appreciate some feedback. What'd you say? You know what it is, girl? What's that dang noise my car making, huh? Y'all probably knew the difference in the sound before I did. Cause y'all always know when my truck's here. See, I don't like that, man. That pisses me off hearing stuff like that. I gotta get that fixed. Looks like I'm gonna be working mechanic job. From farmer to mechanic. My role always changes. God bless y'all. Remember, through God, all things are possible. Peace!